Hi class, today is part one of our review for our unit in similarity. Okay, so we've finished one unit of remote learning. And so, yeah, we're just going to review in this video over half of the material. So the first section, 6.1, was on ratios and proportions. And so let's look at an example here. The measures of the angles in triangle ABC are in the extended ratio of 3 to 4 to 5. Find the measures of the angles, right? Now, since we know they're the extended ratio of 3 to 4 to 5, that means the measures of my angle must be 3x to 4x to 5x. Now, all the angles in a triangle must add up to 180. So therefore, 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 180. And then if I add 3x to 4x to 5x, I get 12x. And if I divide by 12, I get x is equal to 15. And I must be done, right? Wrong, right? I have to take the 15 value for x and plug it in for 3x, 4x, and 5x to get 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 75 degrees respectively, right? These are the angles, okay? 75 plus 60 plus 45 do add up to 180, so we should be good. Okay, 6.2, using proportions in geometry. So in this question, right, or in this section, we dealt with like a parallel line within a triangle. And when you have a parallel line within a triangle, then the divided parts form an equal proportion. So here, they're telling us that BA to DA is equal to BC to EC. Now, based on this, we know that these lines are parallel, just for your information, right? So here, what we do is, since we're told BA over DA is equal to BC over EC, right? Then BA is technically x plus 3, DA is 3, BC is 8 plus 2, and EC is 2. When I take 8 plus 2, I get 10, and then when I cross multiply, I get 30, right? And I get 2x plus 6. And when I solve for x, I get 12. And since that's the length of BD, then I'm done. Okay? In the diagram, EHGF is similar to KLMN. Find the scale factor. Now, the scale factor is just the ratio of the corresponding side. So in other words, EH to KL, HG to LM, GF to MN, and FE to NK. Any of these would be fine. Any of them. Okay? So if you look here, they chose to use EH to KL, which is just what, 12 over 18, which is just 2 over 3. That should be the scale factor. Now, you can check just to make sure that it works, right? 14 to 21 is also 2/3. 16 to 24 is also 2/3. And 10 to 15 is also 2/3. Okay? This is the homework. Okay, there are 2 slides this time. I will make it more points. And you'll be able to get more extra credit this week because you're doing more problems. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Have a great day.